Welcome to our interior design and landscaping guide. Today, we'll show you how to transform your front yard into a beautiful, low-maintenance oasis using these key components. First, let's plan the layout of your front yard. Use pavers or pathways to create inviting walkways that lead to your home. This not only adds structure but also guides visitors. Next, apply mulch to define garden areas. It's great for weed control and moisture retention. Gravel can also be used to add texture and prevent erosion. A rock garden is an excellent addition to a low-maintenance front yard. Arrange rocks strategically and fill the spaces with drought-tolerant plants, succulents, and cacti. Xeriscaping involves choosing plants that require minimal water. Pair these with garden edging to create a polished look. Now, let's add charm to your front yard. Outdoor lighting enhances the ambience. Consider placing furniture and outdoor art strategically. To add a soothing touch, consider a water feature. It not only adds beauty but also provides a calming sound. Don't forget your mailbox. Paint it to match your design. Ensure your fence or wall is well maintained to create a cohesive look. Gates are essential. Lubricate hinges and locks for smooth operation, enhancing both security and aesthetics. Lastly, maintain your driveway, filling cracks and holes. Lay landscape fabric under non-grassy areas for added weed control. Regularly check for weeds and use weed control methods as needed. Don't forget to inspect your irrigation system to ensure proper functionality. There you have it. By using these components and following these tips, you can create a stunning, low-maintenance front yard that will impress your guests and add value to your home. Happy decorating! Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. To learn more, visit rawfhome.com.